This is Math 142 Practice Test 2, problem number 12. I'm supposed to find the exact value of tangent 13 pi over 12. And I noticed there's no 13 pi over 12 on my unit circle, so I'm going to have to try and build it somehow. Addition, subtraction, half angle, double angle. And dealing with this 13 pi over 12 is kind of tricky. So you could, turn it to degrees if you wanted. Multiply by 180 over pi. And what is that? 195 degrees. So you could try and build up that 195 degrees. Maybe it's probably less work to do it that way. If you want to do it with the radians, turn everything here into twelfths. And then you're just working with numerators to get 13. So either way you do it, it's going to break up into 11 pi over 6 minus 3 pi over 4. And I know my tangent subtraction relationship is tangent of the first one, same operator, tangent of the second one, all over one opposite operator plus tangent of the first one times tangent of the second one. So let's figure out these tangents. 11 pi over 6 is here. Tangent's y over x. So this would be negative 1/2 over root 3 over 2. And let's see, that's the same as negative 1/2 times the reciprocal of the bottom, 2 over root 3, which is negative 1 over root 3. So rationalize that denominator, negative root 3 over 3. That's tangent here. Tangent here at 3 pi over 4. Negative, something divided by negative itself, negative 1. That's convenient. So let me get this out of the way in case we need this space, or try to. Let's do some substitution. Tangent of this is negative root 3 over 3 minus tangent of that is negative 1. All over 1 plus tangent of this, negative root 3 over 3. Oh, I wrote 2. It's negative root 3 over 3. I don't know why I wrote the 2. Boop. Let's see if we can't catch that. Times tangent of 3 pi over 4, which is negative 1. So I just did some substitution there. So now this would be negative root 3 over 3 plus 1, subtracting a negative. And this would be 1 plus, a negative times negative is positive, something times 1 is itself, root 3 over 3. So now some pretty heavy fraction manipulation to do. Up here, I'm just going to turn this 1 into 3/3. So up top would be negative root 3 plus 3 over 3. And then on bottom, I'm going to do the same thing, turn this 1 into 3/3. So it'd be 3 plus root 3 over 3. So this fraction is divided by that fraction. So that'd be, I'm just going to write the top as 3 minus root 3 over 3 times the reciprocal of the bottom, 3 over 3 plus root 3. 3's cancel out. So now I have 3 minus root 3 over 3 plus root 3. Got to get that radical out of down there. So I need to use the conjugate in order to do that. It's like a difference of squares type relationship where the middle term drops out when you multiply it. If I multiply this, this is 9. Positive 3 root 3, negative 3 root 3 cancels each other out. Root 3 times negative root 3 is negative. Root 3 times 3 is 3. Over 3 times 3 is 9. Negative root 3 times negative root 3. Negative times the negative is positive. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. 3 negative root 3, 3 negative root 3 gives me 2 of those, so it's negative 6 root 3. Combine some like terms. Up top I have 12 minus 6 root 3 over 9 minus 3 is 6. And then from here I can do a little bit of reducing. 6 goes into 6, 6 goes into 12. So I'm left with 2 minus square root of 3.